Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify credit card offers with Capital One. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Capital One website. Once the home page loads, navigate to the credit cards section. Here, you will find various credit card offers available. Select the card that interests you to view its details. Scroll down to find the Check Your Eligibility option. Click on this button to begin the verification process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. This may include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Fill in the required fields accurately. Double-check your information for any errors. After entering your details, click the See Your Offers button. Capital One will process your information securely. In a few moments, you will see any eligible credit card offers. Review the offers carefully, noting the terms and conditions. If an offer suits your needs, you can proceed with the application. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your application. Make sure to submit any required documentation as prompted. You will receive confirmation of your application status soon. Check your email for updates on your application results. That's it. You have successfully verified credit card offers with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.